When I first got to this home, I wasn't sure on the walkthrough whether this was LVP, luxury vinyl planks, or whether it was porcelain planks or even hardwood floors. So what did I do? I asked the customer, but even the customer wasn't sure when she said it was actually a tile, but she said she wasn't sure if it was natural stone or whether it was a man-made stone. So how did I find out? I'm going to show you right now. Guess what? In her indoor pool room, in here, she had some extra tile. I went in there and lo and behold, look at the back of it. So now we know it's not a natural stone. It's actually a man-made stone. And on the other side of it, we can tell it's a porcelain plank. How can we tell that? Well, that's about all they come in. However, on the box it says it's porcelain, it's glazed, so you really got to be careful. So what do we have to do? I'm going to show you right now. Okay, now that I know it's glazed porcelain, or if it's natural stone, you want to switch over to the brush ring from the Teflon. That way you don't scratch the floor. Let me show you how that's done.